Have you ever looked in the mirror and just felt like your skin has lost its spark? Well, today we are going to dive into how you can turn that dull, maybe even sagging skin into a complexion that absolutely glows with health. Let's get into it.
So, does this hit close to home? Maybe you're noticing your skin isn't quite as firm as it used to be. Or, those little fine lines are starting to make an appearance. Maybe that healthy glow you used to have just seems gone. If any of that sounds familiar, you are in exactly the right place.
Now, a lot of people think sagging skin is something you only worry about when you're much, much older. But you know what? That's a total myth. The truth is, premature aging can affect literally anyone, at any age. It can make us look a whole lot older than we actually feel inside.
But hey, don't worry, because there's a really simple way to tackle this. We're going to break down a super powerful 3-part action plan that you can start using today to help tighten and rejuvenate your skin.
Okay, first up, and this is probably the most important part, is nourishing your skin from the inside out. Seriously, what you put into your body lays the foundation for everything. That beautiful glowing skin, it all starts with what's on your plate. So let's talk about the absolute superstar of skin health, a protein called collagen. The best way to think about it is like scaffolding for a building. It literally holds your skin up, keeping it firm, bouncy, and smooth. So when your collagen levels are up, your skin looks young and tight. Simple as that. Our goal? Boost that collagen.
And one of the best ways to do that is with food. Let's start with citrus fruits. We're talking oranges, lemons, sweet limes, all of them. Why? Because they are absolutely jam-packed with vitamin C, and vitamin C is essential for your body to actually produce its own collagen. Next on the list, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. They are loaded with antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as your skin's personal bodyguards, fighting off all the environmental stuff that tries to break down your collagen. And for those of you who aren't vegetarian, bone broth is an incredible option because it's a direct source of collagen itself.
Now, beyond food, supplements can also be a really helpful option. If you're looking at them, keep an eye out for a few key ingredients. Hyaluronic acid is like a giant drink of water for your skin. It just locks in moisture. L-glutathione is a powerful protector that helps tighten things up. And of course, good old vitamin C to help your body make more of its own collagen.
All right, let's move on to our second method, which works beautifully with what we just talked about. We're going to harness the power of facial massage. This is a fantastic way to work on your skin from the outside.
And hey, this isn't just some feel-good, relaxing thing to do. There's real science here. A report from 2017 actually found that regular facial massage gets the blood flowing, which leads to a more youthful look and can even help soften those fine lines over time. Pretty cool, right?
So what do you use for the massage? Some great, easy-to-find options are coconut oil, almond oil, or even olive oil. If you want to try something a bit more special, there's an Ayurvedic oil called Kumkumadi Thylam. And you don't have to go crazy with it. Just doing this once or twice a week is perfect.
Okay, this is super important, so listen up. Your skin type really matters here. If you have oily skin, please skip the oils. You want to use an oil-free cream or moisturizer instead so you don't cause any breakouts. For everyone else with normal, dry, or combination skin, those oils we just mentioned will work beautifully.
And that brings us to our third and final method, which is not only incredibly effective, but also really fun. Simple, homemade face masks. You honestly don't need to spend a fortune when you have amazing ingredients right in your own kitchen. First up, we've got a banana and honey mask. Banana is amazing for moisturizing your skin, and honey gives you this beautiful, natural glow. All you do is mash up a ripe banana, stir in a spoonful of honey, put it on your face for about 15 minutes, and then just wash it off. It's so easy. Mask number 2 is a fantastic combo of avocado and yogurt. The healthy fats in the avocado are super nourishing, and the yogurt has something called lactic acid, which is a really gentle exfoliant. It just helps slough off dead skin cells to reveal a brighter you. Just mash, mix, apply for 10 or 15 minutes, and you're good to go.
And for our last mask, we have a true power couple, soothing aloe vera and turmeric. Turmeric is a total superstar in Ayurvedic tradition, and it's famous for giving the skin what's called a golden glow. You just feel so refreshed after this one. It's amazing what these simple ingredients can do. And hey, here's a little pro tip for you. To get the best results, don't just pick one mask and stick with it forever. Try rotating them. Use the banana one this week, the avocado one next week, and so on. That way, your skin gets to soak up all the unique and amazing benefits from each one.
So let's wrap this all up.
Here's your simple toolkit for more youthful skin. It really comes down to 3 things: feeding your body the right foods, stimulating your skin with gentle massage, and treating it to some wonderful, all-natural, homemade masks.
So there you have it. 3 really simple but powerful ways to get tighter, healthier, more vibrant skin. When you combine these, you're not just putting stuff on your skin, you're truly nourishing it from the inside out and the outside in. So I guess the only real question left is, which one are you going to try first?